Hey, my name is Mecca, aka Grimo. I'm at the Caribbean marketplace right now. This is Made It Myself Fair, and everything you see on the table is something that somebody either made by hand or I made by hand. And we here, man. It's a community event. We come together to utilize the place, first of all, the new renovated Caribbean marketplace, to show love to the community and to invite the community out and support the individual businesses, Haitian businesses that exist, around. And so, we here, mwen la dan, tout sa wè la, si se pa mwen menm ki fel, se yon lot moun ki fel, nou supporte tout business, nou ouve pot nou pour Caribbean Marketplace lan, Made It Myself Fair, so komunite a ka konen ke sa nou gen la, so gen an pil pou ofri, so fò nou ouve pot nou pou moun ka wè, so that's what it is.